Alright guys, Elon Musk just posted this on X. Terafab project launches in 7 days. Already this post has generated 81 million views. So obviously people are very interested in knowing what this Terafab project is. Today we're going to break down what this is, why Tesla is doing it, and what it can mean moving forward. Let's get into it. So Tesla has been designing their own chips for several years, like the AI4 chips that are in newer models used for full self-driving. But manufacturing of these chips has relied on other companies such as TSMC and Samsung. And Elon has complained many times that these partners can't ramp up production of these chips fast enough for what Tesla needs, which is millions of chips per year needed to power FSD, the upcoming robotaxis, and the upcoming Optimus robots. It's a lot. So that's the core reason for why Tesla and Elon wants to build the Terafab. And the name signifies a manufacturing scale that is way bigger than a gigafactory, with tera meaning trillions over giga, which means billions. So the good thing about Tesla building their own fab is that Tesla controls the entire stack of chips from design to production. And with everything going on in the world, this reduces supply chain risks, cuts costs long term, and quickly lets Tesla scale to the next generation of chips. This is of course very ambitious, and chip factories are notoriously complex and expensive to build. But Tesla has a track record of building large factories, so this likely won't be a problem for them. Okay, so what does all of this mean practically? So if this Terafab comes online and actually delivers, this will accelerate everything in Tesla's AI roadmap. We will get faster rollout of unsupervised FSD, we will get faster rollout of the Optimus robots, and stronger compute for parked car AI features like macro-hard. If you don't know what that is, check out this video where we dive into that. Now, for Tesla as a company, this Terafab is of course a step to become less dependent on external suppliers and become more of an AI/hardware leader. Of course, this also has some risk attached to it. For one, building a leading-edge fab is very hard to do and has a lot of costs associated with it. On the other hand, Tesla has a reputation of moving very fast on big projects. So reports say that this Terafab could cost somewhere between $20 to $25 billion to make. So spare change basically. But luckily Tesla sits on about 44 billion in cash reserves, so that's good, but still spending about half on that on one factory seems like a lot. But if it can accelerate every part of their company, then it's likely the smart thing to do, if they can pull it off. So this launch kicks off in just a few days, and that likely means that construction begins. So do you think this move to build a Terafab is good for Tesla long term or not? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more videos like this, make sure to press subscribe and the bell.